Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn to install and run Python on your computer. Once we do that, we will also write our first Python program. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means that it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, etc. So install Python separately. First, download the latest version of the Python from python.org website. First, open the browser. In that browser, type python.org, press the enter button. So click on welcome to python.org. So python.org website will be displayed, will be open. So now here the latest version of the download is available, and the latest version of the Python is here 3.10.1. So there are different versions. There are different versions available here. The most the most stable Windows download are available from the Python for Windows page. On Windows, you have a good choice. We have a choice between 32-bit and 64-bit versions and several flavors like Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. So now here, based upon your system specifications, so download the suitable version of the Python. So click on the download. So Python 3.10.1 version is downloaded. So select version of Python to download full installer and install. So now here the Python 32-bit version is downloaded. And second step, download Python executable installer and install it. So click on this download file, or double click or click on this executable file, and click on the add path. Click on the add path checkbox. It means it will automatically set the Python path, and after that click on the install. Okay, in this computer Python is already installed, so because of that I will cancel this version. Step 3, wait for it complete the installation process. Once you finish the installation process, we can run Python. So once you finish the installation process, we can run Python. And step 4 is verification of installation of Python in Windows. So run Python in intermediate mode or interactive mode. So open command prompt in your system. So in the search bar, type cmd, click on command prompt, So command window will be displayed on your screen. So run Python in immediate mode or interactive mode. So this is the immediate mode or interactive mode. So now here type Python, press the enter key, So Python 3.8.2. So in this computer, so Python 3.8.2 version is installed. So the Python software is successfully installed in this laptop. So now here we can type the program. Suppose for example, I will type 1 plus 1, press the enter key. So answer is equal to 2. To exit this mode, type Ctrl Z or quit. To exit this mode, so type Ctrl Z or quit, press the enter key. It will come to the previous mode. So that is C colon slash user slash vprnr. So that is the Python path location. It will come back to that location. So now here I will type print statement. Okay. So now here Python and then press the enter key. Okay, here type the program, here type the print statement, print of within the double quotation, hello Python, close the bracket, press the enter key. So the answer, hello Python. Okay, it come to previous to exit this mode, type Ctrl Z or quit, open the bracket and close the bracket. It will come back to the original mode, previous mode. So to exit this command window, type exit, and then press the enter button. So the command prompt exit from the command line or command prompt. Next, step 5, run Python. So Python has been installed successfully in your computer. So now go to Windows search. In Windows search, type IDLE. So Python IDLE 32-bit. So click on IDLE Python 32-bit. So run Python in the integrated development environment, and previous one is interactive mode, that is the command prompt, command line, and this is the interactive, this is the intermediate development environment. So we can use any text editing software to write a Python script file here. So in the search bar, type IDLE Python and then press the enter button. So a Python shell will be displayed on your screen, and after a short message, so now here in my laptop, so Python 3.8.2 version is installed. So this is the version. So after a short message, it will display Python command prompt. So this notation is called as Python command prompt. In this Python command prompt, we can type the program. Suppose for example, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to a plus b. So c is equal. So answer c is equal to 5. In the Python command prompt, we can type the program. So we just need to save it. So this is the Python shell. So by the way, when you install Python, an IDE named IDLE is also installed. So you can use it. You can use it to run Python on your computer. It's a decent IDE for beginners. When you open IDLE, an interactive Python shell is opened. IDLE is Python Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So the name IDLE stands for Python Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So open the script file, go to the file, click on the new file. A script file will be opened. Here we can type the program and save the program and run the program. Suppose for example, here I will type the print statement, print, open the bracket, within the double quotation, hello world. So the Python programs will be saved .py extension, .py extension, go to the file, save as, and select the location and give the file name sample. My file name is sample.py. So Python programs will be saved in .py extension. Click on the save button. So my script is saved successfully, and after that go to the run module. So this print statement will be executed within the single quotation, within the double quotation. That print statement will be displayed. The resultant value will be displayed on the Python shell, hello world.